The Destination Development International team specializes in performing community assessments. An assessment is a photographic look at a community through the eyes of a visitor. We always start at a town's gateway. Have you placed your town's welcome signage at the city limits, or have you positioned it where it will make the best first impression? The truth is, tourists do judge a book by its cover, and our assessment provides observations and ideas that will get locals and visitors to spend more time and money in your area. Here's Roger Brooks in Port Townsend, Washington.
The #1 activity of visitors in the world is shopping, dining, and entertainment in a pedestrian-friendly setting, downtowns. That is where 80% of all visitor spending takes place. So when we do an assessment, we look at what the businesses are doing to pull people in their doors. Signage, beautification, curb appeal, their store hours, all those elements that translate to an outstanding destination. So come on, let's take a look. How do we do it? We visit for a day or two and shop the town just like any visitor. We walk your streets, check out the shops, talk to merchants, visit attractions, all while taking dozens of photos. And like any visitor, we always work up an appetite. Curb appeal can account for 70% of first-time sales at restaurants or retail shops in your downtown. You know, even as visitors, have you ever said these words? That looks like a nice place to eat. So do you think this looks like a nice place to eat? I think so. Let's check it out. We also take a close look at your primary spending district. The ultimate goal of any downtown or tourism effort is getting people to stay longer. 2 hours or more translates to additional spending, so make it easy for them. What is the deal with 2-hour parking anyway? It is the single biggest killer of any tourism and downtown shopping experience. You need to provide places where people can park for 4 hours or more. All great destinations are built on product, not just marketing. And that product requires a team effort. Everyone on the same page pulling in the same direction. That's what this is about. We have spent the day assessing Port Townsend, Washington, a beautiful seaport community. You know, no town is 100% done, and even the best towns have room for improvement. If you're ever in the Northwest, make sure that Port Townsend is on your itinerary. It really is a great town.
After an assessment has been completed, our team conducts a findings and suggestions workshop. It's an honest, photographic look at your community, complete with dozens of low-cost suggestions of things you can do today to make a difference tomorrow.